Welcome to my channel. I'm very happy for you guys to be here with me. For this look, I've seen that a lot on Instagram, but I was always scared to recreate that kind of look because, as you know, I struggle a little bit with cut creases, and to be honest, I'm really happy with how it is looking. So I really hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. And now let's get into this tutorial. I'm starting with my DIY Shea Butter Lotion, followed by my DIY lip balm. I really like using these products because first of all, it's natural, and second of all, it is a very moisturizing, especially during winter time. Now I'm cleaning up my brows using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Cafe. For my face, I will be using the Rimmel London Fix and Perfect Primer. And for my laugh lines, I will go ahead and use my Wet n Wild Photofocus eyeshadow primer. Then as a eyeshadow base, I will be using again the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, but this time in the color medium. To set my eyelids, I will be using the Spun translucent powder, and I will also be setting my face with that. I think it helps with controlling my oily face. For eyeshadow today, I'm using the Costal Scent 252 Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. As a transition color, I will go ahead with this light brown shade, and to deepen my crease, I will be using this darker brown. Then I will go ahead and cut my crease using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And on top of that, I will be patting this kind of white pearl shimmery shade. Then I'm blending the edges of the concealer, well, the cut crease, so there's no harsh line. Now I'm taking my lash glue. I'm putting this on my cut crease line. This is where I will be packing my Coastal Scent glitter. The name of the glitter that I'm using from Coastal Scent is a Gold Medallion. Then to line my lash line, I will be using the NYC Liquid Eyeliner in the color black. For foundation today, I am using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer in the color Nutmeg. And I will be blending this out using my damp Real Techniques sponge. be using two concealers today. I'm using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in the color Deep Cinnamon under my eyes. And then on top of that, I will go with the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the color Warm Honey. And with the LA Girl Concealer, I will be highlighting under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, I'm looking at myself. I feel flawless. To set my highlighted areas, I am using the Spun powder. And for the rest of my face, I will be using the L'Oreal Pro Matte powder in the color Cacao. With the same brush, I am removing all the excess Spun powder that was sitting on my face. To contour, I will be using the black Radiance contour palette in the color Dark to Deep. Now I put my lashes off camera. Now I am completing my lower lash line using the same brown that I've used as a transition color and to deepen my crease. For mascara, I'm using as usual the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. And in my inner tear dot, I chose to use a matte white eyeshadow. And for blush, I'm using the Forever 21 Ultimate Matte Blush Palette. And to highlight, I'm using the highlight shade from the Black Radiance palette. For lips, I will be using the Nicka K Bold Eye Pencil in the color brown. And for lipstick, I will go ahead and use the ColourPop Lip Stick in the color Poison. Alright, so this is the final look. Like I said, I'm so happy with the way it is looking. I really hope you did enjoy this video. Don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy it. And please do not forget to subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Mwah.